So here's the unboxing video of the new JBL earphones we own, which is of $9.99. So let's open this. Come with these two guidelines to use it, which we don't need pretty much because it's an easy setup. This also comes with extra earbuds, which can be used to replace the existing ones over here. So here we take out first step by step, and these earphones, ear picks can be replaced by these. You get two extra. Here it is, just plug the jack and we are ready to use it. So I bought this protective gear for my earphones. You can also get one on online website. So as we can see, the design of this earphone is really an old one. The jack is the one which we used to get on our Nokia phones. Also, one more con that I found out, that this only has a microphone. It does not has any button or to either receive calls or to increase or decrease the volume. But the good part is that it really gives good volume levels and it does not comes off your ear even while you are jogging. I really like the sound quality. Let's just test and show you also the sound quality. So as you can see even from such a distance I can listen to the voice. So just imagine when this is in your ears. I can hear the volume even when the earphones are kept over here, which really shows that this really has a nice volume. So I highly recommend this because at this price we get a good quality product, and as JBL itself, the name gives a brand and a goodwill. So I recommend this product.